Do you ever struggle to find really powerful, crisp, pristine information product ideas? If so, in this video, I'm going to give you some tools for coming up with great information product ideas, how to make sure they're evergreen, and how to really serve your audience so that they want to get other products. All that's coming right up. Hey there, this is Anthony Metivier from BrandingU.Academy, where we take online course creators and authors and help them get traffic to their offers, to their email lists, and really make a community that is thriving around you, a tribe as some people like to call it, and do it in such a way that you're getting traffic from multiple platforms and not putting all your eggs in one basket the way that it's often taught. And you know, we want to help you focus on the right things. That's why we have the Priority Star exercise for you at BrandingU.Academy, and we'd love to see you over there. Now, if you're new here, hit the thumbs up, get subscribed to this channel so you don't miss anything, because we are not only talking about how that we've done this in our own businesses, Jonathan Levy and I, my great partner, but we also are sharing the journey of making Branding U Academy its own business. And you know, we've hit it out of the park with our launch, and it just keeps growing and growing, and we have some amazing things going on with an amazing community that you're going to want to be a part of. So one of the things that we've got for you along the line of information products is, I was thinking in my mind about how to talk about evergreen products and information product ideas, and I realized that back in the day I wrote this book called Evergreen, and I want to give it to you, but you need to be in the Branding U Academy. So that's at BrandingU.Academy. Whether you want to take the full shebang, which we highly recommend that you do, just be all in if you really want to succeed with the things that we can help you succeed with, which involve creating online courses that become bestsellers, making funnels that really help your audience understand why they would want to learn from you, either courses or books, and all the things needed for webinars and for a podcast and your YouTube channel and all that sort of stuff. Or you can just get the free trial to try it out. But don't let the word free make you think, oh well, there's a pitch coming, I won't pay attention to any of this amazing value, because we have people like Gonzalo Core who just took that, and he, you know, back when it was paid, and he went and quadrupled his income. So, you know, some people, and you'll find this too when you build your own online empires, that people have become free blind and they don't see the value right in front of their face. But this is not necessarily a problem of the internet. There's been libraries long before the internet filled with information that people could learn from for free, right? But they're blind to it. So don't be blind, come and get it. And what I'm going to do for all our people who are already existing in the community is I'm going to put Evergreen in our Facebook forum, and you'll be able to get it there by going through our free trial or just getting the whole course and then download it. And what it's going to do is give you all these ideas of not just evergreen products that you could create by category, but it's also going to give you ideas on how to write endless emails on those topics, because these are universal topics that touch every life. So that's the #1 resource for you right there, this book Evergreen. And I wrote it under a pseudonym a long time ago, and really interesting to find it, so I dug it up for you and put it there. And one of the things that you're going to want to do when you make your information products and you're looking for ideas is make sure you're an actual expert in that topic, right? And then make sure that it's actually something that can be evergreen. So if it's computer programming, well, what's the likelihood that your approach on that is going to be evergreen? Or what are the things you can do inside of that product area or that area of expertise that maximizes its evergreen potential, so that you have to do minimal updates and changes over the years that you'll have your product on the market? Because, you know, you want to look and think, what has been on the market for 100 years? Like chess trading, for example, is something that, you know, not only has been there for a long time, but it's probably always going to be there. Even if people start playing computer chess or against computers, there's always going to be this training. And then think larger. Like, what does chess belong to? Well, chess belongs to strategy games, right? So there's this longevity of the product. And you want to think about that. And it's in every niche. It's in every area of interest. And even if you have an area of expertise that needs continual updating, there's an area within that that you can really maximize the potential of, so you have a product that can stay on the market for a long period of time. And then you can have email funnels creating consistent new traffic to that offer for that product and becoming your customers for the long term. So that's important to think about. The other thing that you want to think about, and this is really important, is how that these products can be connected to other products that you can create that also are evergreen. So, you know, one of the key examples is if you, and we have a guy named Jonathan who is in a certain kind of programming, and then it's just like, well, how is he so productive? How is he so fit? You know, like, how do you spend that much time at a desk doing programming and still have physical fitness? So that's like a course right there. It's physical fitness for computer programmers, right? And physical fitness is evergreen. It's an information product idea that is never going to run out, because the human body doesn't evolve that fast, and no matter what they do with implants and all the crazy stuff that they're coming up with the technology, people are still going to need physical fitness no matter what's going on, because human bodies are going to be here. So that's an example of an evergreen product that you could create. And so then the other thing that you want to think about is, how is this all helping you create your free offer that builds your email list? What's the evergreen version there? Because you don't want to be updating that all the time necessarily either. I mean, if you can hit a control, that is the marketer's, you know, goal, is to hit a control that you have running for years and years and years, that serve the world and interest people in your products, that doesn't need updating again and again and again. So think about the evergreen potential there as well. What is the free training that you could create to introduce people to your premium products that is really long lasting and durable, so that when you hit it, it lasts and you don't have to redo it again and again and again. Now, that's going to take testing and so forth, and you're going to hit the ground running relative to a couple of things: your sources of ideas, your understanding of some of the universal themes of what makes humans tick and what they need, and your understanding of what is going on in terms of what is evergreen on the market. So there's a lot of research tools that we share in a Branding You Academy course called Conquering Content, which is not only about how to conquer the creation of content, but also to make sure that your content creation is guided by the best possible research, and that you're doing it in a way that enables you to create marketing content and then content for purchase in the form of books and video courses, but also understanding that you want to be able to do it in such a way that you have categories that are self-reinforcing. And so that's in the premium version of Branding You.Academy. And wow, I'm really honored that so many people who have taken it love that course so much in Branding You.Academy. But they all work together. And one of the things that you'll get, even if you're just in the free trial, is the priority star. And it'll help you understand where you need to actually start in your journey, or if you're already along the way, where to do the most that will impact your business the most right now. So make sure that you're there, and then always think about it through this lens of evergreen. And if you wind up in our forum, then you'll be able to download Evergreen, which is this wonderful little guide that's going to help you in a great way. I'm confident of it. And you know what? Once you're in there, you can ask questions about what's going on and get a response. We've got a great community right now. I'm really inspired by people who are in a contest that we have right now. And they're taking action, building their businesses, asking great questions, getting involved in discussions, and really changing the world. And that's the kind of people we're looking for, are course creators and authors who are interested in changing the world and creating the traffic that you're going to need in order to make the world notice that you're there, so you can change it. And that's all taking place at brandingyou.academy. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Hit that thumbs up, get subscribed to this channel if you aren't already, and until we speak again, keep on creating that online empire.